Okay guys, Cardi here guys with the testing video of this amplifier here guys. This is a Qsc Gx3. Okay guys, alright, so yes, I pour it on guys. As you guys can see, I have it hooked up. Look at that, while light comes on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna find something here now guys to test a little audio for you guys. Sorry guys if this is out of yikes, circuit board is out of view a little. It's heavy. The transformer is here, so I can't put anything. But the speaker is here. Yeah, I don't wanna. Alright, guys, let me see. I'm gonna have to go to the tone generator to get something for this. I'm not gonna even play anything. This copyright thing is crazy, guys. Just to let you know. Alright, tone generator. I don't remember what side I hooked up. Alright, so channel 2 is hooked up. So let's see which. Channel 2. Alright. Here. Channel 2. That's 512 words, guys. The fan is on. Woo. Stop it and check the other one side here. Channel 1. Alright. I just adds all this scope on this one, man. Come on. Stop. That's 2,629 hertz. Ooh, that thing is messed up your ears. Alright, so should I? Yes. So let's try some little bass tone on it, guys. That's gonna be too much for me. Oh yeah. Let you guys see what's going on here. It's plain bass, guys. Alright. So guys, it's up and running. Oh, I was gonna turn off at 12 volts there. Remember, I'm working on one of these P amplifier instead. Alright, guys. So yeah. So let me, yeah, guys. I didn't find anything else wrong with it. So let me show you what I replaced, guys, in this amplifier. So yeah, let's go back here, guys, and yes. And this is the sheet, guys, of what I replaced in this amplifier here. Yes, guys. So this is the sheet, guys. You can look and you'll see what's going on here. So yes, this R106, yeah, I did have to replace it because on the top of it read okay, but on the top the part number was rubbed off. This is the part number 6982, and that's equal to 69.8 k ohms, guys. And then you have resistor 80, which was 33 ohms. Yes, guys, the part number on it says 33 RZ. That's equal to 33 ohms, guys. And you know, capacitors that I replaced, yeah. And this is for channel 1. As I said, the layout of these parts is for channel 1, guys. Channel 2, and this is for channel 1. Yeah, it's easy to figure out which channel is which one, guys, because all I do is just from this white lead right here, I take the tester lead one here and test it, and you'll figure it out. And from the and this side have a gray lead. So from the gray one to, and you figure out which one is which one. So the gray one is the channel 2, the white one is channel 1. So yes guys, so yeah. So just letting you guys know. So I could just put I could even put it right on here guys. So you guys can see from where I'm facing. This is the face of the amplifier guys. So I could just say right up here is like, CH1, and I could put like here, I could say CH2. So yes guys, so yes, that's how you go, channel 1, channel 2. So that's how it goes. So, and yes guys, and these are the parts that I replace. So yes guys, you won't make a mistake on one of these amplifier. If you even make the mistake and get one without the part, this is the layout of the parts guys. Yes. So yes. So from, as you can see, from this side guys, down here where the facing is, yes guys, where the facing is on this side guys, yes, that's going to be, let me see if I'm right here, let me make sure I'm right. That's going to be, so which one of the 13? This is gonna be the channel 1 here guys. So this is gonna be channel 1 from here. Yes, just as I have it. This side, yes, from the facing here, channel 2, and the chances they're gonna start from here, from the channel 2, from the back of the amplifier guys. You see 2A, 1C, then A in the middle. And here from the facing of the amplifier, you're gonna have 2C, then 1A, then a C in the middle. Alright, so you won't make a mistake on this guys. Please don't. Alright, and that's it for now guys. Just please like, subscribe if you like what I see guys, and but yeah, it's really with this amplifier guys, yeah, it's a lot of people I see don't they're scared to work on it, but I don't know. This is what I really start out working on, these kind of stuff. Heavy duty amplifier guys, if everybody know about Jamaican sound system, they'll know that yeah, we are the one who really, yeah, we take pride in these kind of amplifier with sound system and all that stuff, So yes, so just let you know guys know, and this is the back of it guys, this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's a really clean amplifier. As I say, it was from a church, and yeah, but everything is good now. So yeah, so up and running. And this part, this is what I have here is you guys see 30 mm. This is the height and the width of the capacitors that I replaced, guys. Yes. So the height is 35 mm and the width is like 30 mm. So yeah. You could use a little taller ones, guys. Yes, way taller. Yeah, you have the space for it. But wider, yeah, it's hard to get one a little wider out thing, wide out work. Keep with the 30 as the width, guys, and then the height you could go up to 40. Yes, it could go up to 40 mm. The tallness of it, yeah. But yes, guys, everything is good and everything work out, everything, the fan is working properly and everything. So just for me to just hook it up and put it back together right now. And everything is, Cantori. Oh Lord, look at it, guy, look at that. That thing splash over here. I'm gonna clean this. I have to clean this. I didn't even notice that it did that to it. So please like, subscribe if you like what I see, guys. And Cardi, guys, is out for now, alright? Enough respect, alright? Alright?